Looking for a move-in ready home in one of North Mesa's most desirable townhome communities? This 2-bedroom, 2-bath has over 1,300 square feet and amazing amenities. Come check it out. Step inside to gorgeous wood flooring that flows throughout the main living areas, creating a warm, inviting space that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The kitchen features timeless oak cabinetry, newer appliances including the range and dishwasher, built-in microwave, and the refrigerator is included, making this home truly move-in ready. The spacious primary suite offers a walk-in closet and private bath ensuite, while the second bedroom and full bathroom provide flexibility for guests, a home office, or hobbies. One of the highlights is the private courtyard, complete with tile flooring, a pergola, mature landscaping, and screen doors. Additional features include 2 attached covered parking spaces and 2 storage sheds for added convenience. Residents also enjoy a clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, playground, lush greenbelts, and mature shade trees. The HOA even includes water, sewer, trash, plus a rare boat and RV parking. If you've been searching for a low-maintenance home with amazing amenities, this one deserves a spot at the top of your list. Don't forget to like this and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an opportunity to learn more about the Arizona real estate market.